Scatter diagram. In statistics, in order to show the relationship uh, between two variables, uh, scatter diagram is used, and this relationship can be expressed in interval or ratio basis. So scatter diagram show the relationship between two variables with one another that are expressed in ratio or interval basis. So if we uh, go for an example for scatter diagram, we'll find something like that. This is a diagram, uh, relationship. This is, you can say, salary of salesperson or something like that. Sales volume, sales and Jan month. Day, what this is, will show the relationship. That means you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or something like that, blah blah blah. This is some debt and sales. You can say sales 1 million, you can say 2 million, you can say 3 million, say 4 million. And this relationship so in diagram, it is called scatter diagram. So in scatter diagram, that is the first day of month. So we have you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. This is some point show that relationship. This relationship when you show in such graph, it is called scatter diagram. So we may have something like that. Star mark. This type of relationship was shown. The first you have source value of cells, and the 2 we have higher, but in the 4 will be lower. 3, the 4 again is become lower. This relationship are shown. This and cells volume per unit, and this relationship are shown in such a graph. It is called scatter diagram. And in statistics, there may have different types of scatter diagram. So it can be positive correlation, it can be negative correlations, it can be curved correlations, it can be partial correlation. It can also be that has no relation, a low correlation, high correlation, and perfect correlation. So first of all, we can go for discussion about non-correlations. This type of from this type of example. This graph actually says no correlation. That means there has different cells in different days. Then it is called non-correlation. So non-correlation. Non-correlation. This is called no correlation and low correlation. For example, no correlation. This is called no correlation. Low correlation. Low. This is when we have some. This side indicate the cells, and this indicate cells for them. So when we have such things like that, for example, we have some D5 on our cells here, D2 our cells here, D3, and this is D3 our cells here. There's some relationship out there, but it's not so strong. Something like that. Here we have cells for them. The 5 we have, this is the 5, we have cells here. That means there has some relationship. It's not so much strong. It is called low correlationship. And if we talk about high correlationship and perfect correlationship, that means high correlation. For example, this is the cells. This is the day of the month or year. So we will have so we'll have this is the cells. This is the sorry. This is the this. This is the cells. So the test, and this is the cells. So when we will have high correlation, that means we have very high correlation. Just but this cells. This is high correlation. Very close. They're somehow scattered, not so high, and this is so high. Close, you got this. আর যখন আপনার perfect correlation থাকবে, that means you are basically staying in the straight line. This line, when you are staying, this is the test. This is the basically cells. And so this is perfect. That means they are staying in the straight line, nothing else. Just but this is আপনার cells একই হারে যখন বাড়তেছে, this is called perfect correlationship. So we have no correlation, this is low correlation, this is high correlation, this is perfect correlation. These are 4 types of that means when we have no relationship between two variables, this is called no correlationship. When we have some relationship, this is called low correlationship. When we have comparatively high correlationship, but it is not perfect to say 1:1, it is called high correlationship. When we will have relationship that is J but they say on cells but say একই ratio হারে, then it is called perfect correlationship. So these are 3 types of correlationship. After that, we have also positive correlationship, negative correlationship, curved correlationship, partial correlationship. That means relationship are partial. So we can draw here. First of all, we have positive correlationship. Whatever we will have positive correlation. That means this is positive correlation. That means J বাড়তেছে দিন বাড়ার সাথে সাথে. This is basically days. And this is basically cells. Days and cells. So these are 2 types. So when these are going on in cell size, it is called positive correlation. Positive correlation and negative correlation. That means decreasing trend. It is called decreasing trend. It's called negative correlation. This is cells. This are going on. Your cells are decreasing. This is called negative correlation. That means this are going on. It may be perfect, imperfect, or polar correlationship. It is called negative. There must have some relation. No correlationship will not come under this category. So this is positive correlationship. We are showing it is perfect. And it is also perfect, but negative. So we also have curved correlation sheet. Curved correlation sheet basically indicate this is a line and just again here. That means curved type. First increasing, then decreasing, or first decreasing, then increasing. This is called curved correlation. So we have this is increasing, then again it is decreasing at the end of the month. This is curve correlationship. Again, when we have one relationship that may be partial, so partial correlationship has we have this is very positive and high relationship. After that, this is moving. We have some. So that means partially they are relationship. After that, we have no relationship. This is called partial correlation. So first of all, we have positive correlationship, negative correlationship, then curved correlationship, partial correlation. So these are other four types of correlationship that we find. So scatter diagrams show the relationship between two variables. It may be in table format or it may be in ratio. So it may be positive, that means increasing, negative, decreasing. It may be curved, that means first increasing and decreasing, or it may be first decreasing then negative. It may be partial, that means we are showing some positive relation, then Jesus has shown no relationship. That means after that it is increasing, then decreasing, then again increase. It is partial. It may happen at the beginning, after that it may have relationship. So these are four types of correlationship that are shown in scatter diagram. So we discussed scatter diagram. Scatter diagram show relationship between two variables. It may be cells, age, or education, something like that. Class of education, income, or family member, etc. like that. So scatter diagram basically show the relationship between two variables. These are all about our scatter diagram.